Canva is a user-friendly design tool for various needs. Here's how to use it. Sign up, create a free Canva account. Choose Design. Select a design type like social media posts or posters. Customize. Use templates and elements to customize your design. Download, share. Download or share your design directly from Canva. Choose a Reels video you like and simply click on the download button. The Reels will instantly be downloaded to your phone or computer.
Yes, my friends Adam give use a summary for a free for a month. 1 month you can use free, no problem. You can adjust the text to whatever size you want. As you can see now, make the interpretations for the whatever you want in Canva. It's very easy application. Yes, it's Reels ready. I do hear some example yani like one barber shop is opening soon. It's very easy. So which one you like it, which style, what you want, you can use everything in the Canva. Just give time. Maybe if I will finish just 2 minutes. Maybe you first time 20 minutes, after 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Uh, Finally, maybe you like me, maybe more than like me. You will finish 1 minute, 5 minutes. It's ready.